Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Welcome back guys. This video, as I've been saying in some of my old videos, I got LEDs to put in the car, but it has taken me ages to get around to this. But finally I'm here today to put these in. I'll just try and explain what I've got. These are the number plate lights in the back. This will be the one that goes just up here in the boot, or the trunk, whatever you want to call it. These will be for the visors. When the visors come down and you open up the mirror, the lights come on. That'll be for the glove box. These will be for the lights, the down lights in the roof or the ceiling, whatever. These are the little T5s that go in the middle, in the center console, down the bottom in the back. And these will be for the footwells for the driver and passenger side, I believe. So anyway, while we're here at the boot or the trunk, whatever you call it, you might start by putting these ones in. I've had another video where I put the lights, the number plate lights in, so yeah, I might just quickly pop them in. Yeah, so try and get these out. I think I broke them last time, but anyway, oopsies. Trying to hold the camera. There we go. Oh, that came out better than last time. Didn't break. Yeah, there we go. Got a whole new light for that. Plug that in there. Plug. There we go. And pop that back in there. There we go. That's one of those in. Get that one in. Okay, they're in, working, nice and bright. I had these, on my 325, my last car, so it's in an old video. But anyway, it's good to finally have them in again. They look awesome at night. Let's keep moving. That was those two in, so now next we might go for this one, which is going to be that one there. You see that? Get the trim removal tool up under here and just pry it out. There we go. Unplug that for now. That's really hot, so we should probably let that cool down for a bit. There we go. Okay, now we see this one, and I'm probably going to want to put this one in here. I'm kind of thinking, just pop that out there. Oh, that's, oh, yep, that's, oh, it's melting, melting. That's really hot. Hey. Alright, so this one would go in here. I'll plug it back in, see if it works. So I'm thinking this has got a sticky back on it, so I want to peel that off. I'll do it in a sec actually. I'm going to put this back up and leave this bit out, and then take off the back bit so it's sticky, and just stick it. Maybe stick it that way. There. So that looks pretty cool, and that should be really bright. Okay, now that that one's in, and we can actually see the light from that one now. I'm gonna go and put these ones in the footwells, and maybe I'll bring these ones too. They will go up under here somewhere. The light is there. To get it, probably just use your hands for this one. Maybe I'll use the trim tool. Just pop it out. Just like so, and you'll see a little T10 in there. Just wiggle it out. I'm hoping these ones fit. These are pretty big. Yeah, there we go. So it does matter which way these go in. But anyway, that's in. Same on the other side. So we've got a little light under here that comes on when you open that. Let's get to it. Oh, that comes out super easily. Now, this is where I'm going to use these two. Just pop this one out. And then pop this one in. have light. Oh. There we go, super easy. Same on the other side. Awesome. Okay, let's get on to these ones. Oh. Yep, they're all very orangey. Let's make them white. Yeah, pop this piece here out gently because this might break. There we go. Oh, there we go. So let's try and pop this one out. That one pops out. I'll just quickly show you what I can see up in there. You got 1, 2, 3 T10s. This is a bit tricky to get out, but that one's okay. And I'm gonna be trying to put these ones in if it works. I gotta just see if it'll fit. There we go. Yeah, that looks like it fits. By fit, I mean like as long as this bit can go back on. And that looks like it works. So that's good. Oh, here we go. I used my screwdriver. That popped out. I've got these other little ones here. They're super small, but I think they're pretty bright. And I might try them. That's better. There we go. So let's get this other one in. Pop it out with the screwdriver. Oh, there we go. Okay, finally, that was a mission. All 3 of them. So let's pop this bit back up in there. There we go. That's cool. Alright, I kind of hope I don't have to do that again for a while. That was a little bit tricky. Just make sure this is all clean. And pop this bit back up. Done. Okay, I should probably get onto this little one that sits here in the glove box. This thing comes out pretty easy. And it's going to be hot. So I'm hoping to use this one. Yep. Pretty simple that one was. Pop it back up in here. Like that. Now we got LED light up there. Sweet. Time to do these little ones. These are the little T5 ones. Let me get this out. Alrighty. There we go. Oh, that's hot. So I'll just unplug that. I do recall these being a little bit tricky last time. So I've got to remember how I did it. Oh, that's right. They go off to the sides. Yeah, pop that one out. Pop that one out. Now I'll pop these ones in. Yeah, you got to make sure they're not too long. If they were too long, they wouldn't fit into this, back into this. Okay, they both work. See if they go back in here. Oh yes, they just fit. Yes. Plug it in and we have LEDs there. Cool. All right, let's do the same on the other side. From this to this. Now that they're all looking good, it's time to get to the back here and these ones. There we go. Beautiful. That's much better. Before I forget, there's these ones down here which are pretty easy to get out. These are at the bottom of the door. Comes out just by hand like that. This one's actually already cracked. That just unplugs like that. And then yeah, I've got these which should show a cool little BMW logo. It's got that same slotted plug in there. So there's just a slot there, so it goes in like that. Only goes in one way. And I can pop that up in there. You can see it's turning on. I'll try and show you. So super easy to pop that in there. But if you can see on my hand, it says BMW. So that'll shine on the ground at night. I should show that. Yeah, here's the other side, passenger side here, driver's side if you're in America or somewhere. There's just another little T10 in there if you were just to replace this bulb with an LED. That little cover just has to come off pretty easy. But anyway, super easy to put these in and they're pretty cheap. So yeah, let's pop her in. These are so easy to do, it's not funny. It's in. See? And we got BMW again. That should look awesome at night. Well, all those lights are looking much better, and I'm super happy with that because yeah, I had all the LEDs in my old E92, the 325i, and it certainly makes it looks a bit more modern and helps with the lighting at night, so it's more white and pure looking in my opinion anyway. So yeah, that all looks great, which is awesome. So anyway, thanks very much for watching. Here's just a quick list of, I ended up using this little screwdriver a bit more and these two trim tools, and I know it was mostly interior lighting, but I did the number plate lights as well. I managed to get them out without breaking them this time, which was good. So yeah, I've gone through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 T10s, 4 T5s, and then a couple of these longer ones. Ended up being 4 of those all up, and just the 2 door lamps. This bit actually comes out from here too, which I didn't realise. So I'll just end up there. Thanks very much for watching, and feel free to share this video around, throw us a like and leave a comment if you want, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.